key aspects of neuroscience psychology. Number one is that it focuses on the brain and behavior. That is, it investigates how neuronal pathways, brain chemicals, and hormones affect psychological phenomena. Secondly, biological bias of mental processes. So the neuroscience psychology also explains how processes like memory, emotion, consciousness are tied to brain activities. You can see it really explains how memory, the process like memory, emotion, and consciousness. Yes, you being conscious. Consciousness are tied to the brain activities, what is happening inside your brain. That is why we say brain coordinates everything around you, everything about you. So it's better you study your brain very well.